So how's everybody?
Hi Manish, Manish ji.
So anybody knows what's the topic for today?
Collaboration.
Collaboration, right?
Collaborative mindset.
What about collaboration?
Yes.
So let us start this conversation. What do you know about collaboration? What do you think is collaboration? Hello?
It is mingling or merging with the other major one for our
Okay.
development.
Okay.
Mindset is different.
Okay. Fantastic.
So
What else?
sometimes we'll have a mind blocks.
Okay.
Sometimes we'll have positive mind blocks. Sometimes we'll have negative mind blocks.
Okay.
If you've got a negative mind blocks, we have to break and come up. And for the growth, we have to accept what is needed. Fitness of the survival.
Great.
So if I am going alone, as always, we say that the boats are flying on the sky always in a V shape, V formation.
Yes, they are.
All would have been known about the PowerPoints which are telling about 5 lessons.
Right.
All the points are for collaboration.
Absolutely.
Leadership, adjustment, sharing relationship,
Yeah.
sharing responsibility, delegation, accountability,
Right.
all that.
Okay. Let us hear from others as well.
Collaboration means just enhancing the strength of the team
Right.
by taking the all the advantages and strengths of the all the members collaborating.
All right. Fantastic. And how do we achieve collaborative mindset?
People should find a value. The collaborating member should find a value for him also. It has to be win-win for both.
Okay.
So this is the first criteria. Unless people see value, they will not able to see what is the time, money, all these things are at stake for collaborating. And these two things, if it is taken care of, either we should have all kind of one kind of self satisfaction, at least one kind of satisfaction. It becomes mental satisfaction, physical satisfaction, or is financial satisfaction.
All
So,
right.
or anyone, if it is met, then you will find that volunteers will come out and they will come for collaboration.
Okay.
It's
Great.
a voluntary wish, and so the people they collaborate. And of course, when you are working for somebody, then collaboration has no meaning. It's a need of the organization.
Okay. Fantastic. Others?
Working together to
Yeah.
achieve the common objectives and doing everything that's required to fulfill the same.
Okay. Fantastic. What else?
Earlier, we were talking about, as our Ravindra ji said, team.
Yeah.
Before millennium born, we considered a team expansion is together everyone achieve more. But now, after the millennium started, we have considered expansion as 4 areas. One is a trust to be developed between the leader and members.
Okay.
Second is empathy.
Okay.
Third is attitude. Fourth is motivation. If all these four are apt for the members and leaders, it is always collaborative. It is beneficial to both of us.
Fantastic. So this was true even earlier. No? Is there something which was not true before the millennials came?
This is this is what we teach for our MBA students. What is team? Earlier we were talking about together everyone achieve more, but that concept has been changed now.
That's fine. That's yeah, fine. We've changed the concept. That is okay.
Yeah.
But this was equally applicable earlier also, no? To your generation also, trust is required, empathy is required, attitude is required, and motivation is required, right?
No, it was not there because
Mhm.
they believed the leader.
Okay, fair enough. We'll come
100%.
to you. Fine, fine. So let us hear from others. Singla Saab,
Anji, good morning.
good morning, Ji.
See, I think the collaborative mindset is that bringing two organizations together, somebody may be stronger in technology, somebody may be stronger in investment, and like that. So, if they both come together, they can spread this technology worldwide and they can have more and more collaborations, setups around the world.
Awesome, awesome. आहूजा जी, आज फिर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. आप, हाँ जी, hello. So there's an issue with your audio. We're not able to listen to you. हाँ जी, Manish. Manish, what do you understand from collaborative mindset or collaboration? Nikhil. Okay, हाँ जी, आहूजा जी. All right, so let's move ahead. So I went to the dictionary and I was looking for uh, collaboration, and I ended up looking for some other words. So there are these three words called have, be, and do. These are defined as auxiliary verbs. So how I look at it is these are defined as collaborative verbs. Okay. A verb which helps other verb to form its tense, voice, mood is called an auxiliary verb. Right. So I have something, I am something, or I do something. So it is something which adds. This is a kind of a collaborative. So in the language itself, we've got some kind of a collaboration. All right. And there is something very interesting about these words. So if I may ask maybe two people to define what do you understand when we use the word have, be, or do, or have, do, or be, whichever way. Ahuja ji, we're still not able to hear you. Welcome, Satya ji. Yeah, so if we can please have a quick response on what do you mean by have, be, and do. See, you will enjoy this conversation only if you participate. It is monologue, maja nahi aayega.
So what I understand from this,
Yeah.
when I say if I have X thing, something, then probably I'll be happy and I will
Okay.
do something. Right?
Right.
This is one way of looking to the things, one of the dimensions.
Right.
That this what you mentioned on the screen that implies.
Yeah.
My understanding.
Yeah. All right. Fair enough. So let me share something more. Now, have, do, be are related to each other in a very interesting fashion. Okay. So normally how we live life is what we have is what is visible. Okay. So I can have a product. So I have a mobile phone. Okay. Similarly, I can have anger. I have happiness. Right. So these are things, those are not tangible, but I can relate to them as if I have it. So that is what is visible. All right. And how we live life is based on what I have, I take those actions. I do. And based on what I do, the kind of actions that I take, that's the kind of person that I am. So, what opens up for you when I'm talking about have to be like this? Anybody?
See, kind of person.
All right.
Kind of person is if you have the mindset collaborative, then
Yeah.
only you can join each other. If you don't have the mindset that he will cheat me, he will do me, he will distrust, so then you cannot do anything. So if you are the person, kind of person, that you have a collaborative mind, that you can do this with joining this company, with joining this person, joining with this money, joining with this technology, then only you can do. If you don't have that kind of a spirit, then you cannot be a collaborative mind.
Awesome. So you said something which is very pertinent. The only thing is you can be a collaborative person. You
Yes,
cannot
yes,
have collaboration. Collaboration
yes.
को आप हाथ में पकड़ के अपने भावों में लेकर नहीं चल
No,
सकते.
no, 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 no.
Right?
Hmm.
Now, if that is what you are being, so I'm talking about a life which is at the impact.
Hmm.
Right? पड़ोसी के पास अगर Mercedes Benz है,
Hmm.
तो हमें क्या होता है? He has Mercedes Benz and what do I have? It can be
Nothing.
anything, right? It can be happiness. It can be does not make any difference. It can also be that I can be impacted, right? कि मेरे पास भी होनी चाहिए a competitive spirit, right?
Me, if you are a kind of person collaborative, you can join him by what is the, how do I also get this Mercedes? You tell me. So you can be collaborative.
Absolutely.
You can ask him.
But what I'm
Yes,
saying is having a Mercedes, that is having, that cannot be in B,
yes, 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 yes.
right? And having a Mercedes Benz, there are certain kind of actions he takes.
Hmm.
And based on the kind of actions he takes, there is a certain kind of life he lives.
Hmm.
This is what I mean by being at the impact.
Hmm.
And this is how we generally live life.
Hmm. Can I give an example here?
Please, 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 most welcome. See, the
Okay.
more
For example,
interactivity, the better it will be
yeah.
for
For
everybody.
example, I will like to make it more easy to understand. For example, India is losing about 100,000 crores every year, wasting food. We are wasting food every year, 100,000 crore rupees. Now, the people outside, for example, let's say Dubai or any other, even the smallest country, they have the technology to preserve it and make use of it, and they are in need of it also. Now, if we are a collaborative mind, we should get in touch with those companies and join hands together and do a action to make this useful and earn money, both sides. They will also get food, we can also earn money. So that is kind of a collaboration if we have with a person or with a company to use this kind of thing.
Absolutely. Absolutely, we can do that. Anybody else would like to add here?
See, having is something tangible, and having something tangible in possession or either way can bring the action, and that brings the characteristics of the experience of the person.
Absolutely.
So both the way, in fact, both the having and be the both the things are independent. Probably person can be the richer and abundance in the mind. Doesn't mean have those tangible things with him. Both are interrelated. So mostly the default design, human beings live in the fashion of having something, doing something, and being something. And only through what I understand through conversations and the mindset, person can be happy also without having anything. Thank you.
All right. Now, so we were looking at.
Yep.
Yeah,
Atul,
please.
Atul.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
हाय शीतल,
ये पॉइंट अभी लास्ट वाला किसने ऐड ऑन किया?
ये किया विजय जी ने,
ओके ओके गॉट इट।
विजय शाह फ्रॉम बॉम्बे।
यस
जी देना है कुछ
कल बात हुई।
ऑक्ट्रो देनी है। आप अभी आप औरंगाबाद से बॉम्बे आए तो ऑक्ट्रो देना पड़ेगा ना।
डेफिनेटली।
Okay.
जीएसटी भी लगाएगा उसके ऊपर।
So most of the times we live life like this. We are at the impact of things. All right. There's another way of living life wherein I am being at the source. Okay. अभी हम देख रहे थे कि the have do be. मेरे पास क्या है, उसके बेसिस पर मैं क्या एक्शन ले रहा हूं और उसके बेसिस पर मुझे क्या अवेलेबल हो रहा है. What is the kind of person that I'm being? All right. Now, this is something what Singlaji was talking about. Being collaborative at the source. Yeah, Kiji, we are losing so much money or so much food. And if we can learn from the technology what the Western world has or maybe more developed economies have, we can do much more things. So are you able to see this? So here we are saying that we are beginning with the kind of person or the kind of business that I have. Based on that, I'm taking the decisions or doing the actions that I am taking. And as a result of those actions, I have the output. So what opens up for you in this? Hello? ऑक्ट्रो नहीं देनी पड़ेगी, बोल सकते हो आप. Hello?
Can you
Yeah, I can hear
now?
you. Yes. Now finally we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay.
आज तो एकदम पगड़ी शगड़ी सब पहन के आए हो, एकदम मंडे आ गया क्या?
नहीं, आज मैं पहली बार ऑफिस आया हूँ ना।
अच्छा, मुबारक हो. So that calls for a round of applause. Coming back to office. वो भी एक celebration है आज. हाँ जी, आहूजा जी बताएं. You've gone on mute. आहूजा जी आप म्यूट पे चले गए. हाँ जी. Yeah, please. आहूजा जी कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं कह रहा था कि today is the first time I have come to work. Otherwise, I was taking from home.
Yeah. Great. हाँ जी. So you want to add to this conversation?
I missed it. Sorry, I'll have to pick it up later.
No worries. So all what I'm saying is normally we live life like this, being at the impact. हमारे पास क्या है उसके बेसिस पर हम एक्शन लेते हैं और उसके बेसिस पर हमारे रिजल्ट्स आते हैं.
So basically what you are saying is we react. We don't control the.
Absolutely. So that is why the title says being at the impact.
Right. So we need to basically respond, not react.
Absolutely. So right now, आज की डेट में what we have is corona. ठीक है ना? तो अगर हम उसके बेसिस के ऊपर एक्ट कर रहे हैं तो there will be a lot of concern in whatsoever life is around us. Whereas the moment we operate from here, corona or no corona, the kind of person that I am, the kind of business that I have, that continues to be the same, right? The environment keeps on changing. And that gives me the kind of actions that I continue to take.
Right.
And that in turn defines the kind of results that I have.
Right.
So a person or an organization which is behaving like this, the results will be much more powerful and much larger in comparison to an organization which is being at the impact. I'm not able to get anything from you guys. Is this something which makes sense?
To me it does, yes.
Fantastic. Others?
But main thing is to keep these things in mind when you are or at work or at home, wherever, you tend to forget these things, right?
So this is all about being, it becomes your second nature once you are present to it. When you are not present to it, you are working the way you are wired.
Right.
Once you get present to it, then you have the possibility or the choice of altering the way you react or the way you respond. Isn't
I
it?
agree with you.
Yeah. So can we hear from some other people as well? Satya ji.
हाँ जी, ये बिल्कुल जो आपने कहा ठीक है। तो मेरा इससे ये है कि basically the actions are based on what we are, and that determine what we become. So action is at the center place actually here, and action can only make us what we want to be.
Absolutely. No. Sorry. So let us look at, you have taken around 14 programs during the lockdown period, right?
Yes.
अतुल जी,
हाँ जी.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि
एक मिनट, I'll just come back to you, Sheetal. ठीक है जी. Now, Satya ji, you've taken 14 programs during the lockdown period.
हाँ जी.
Right? So that was not like this. You were not at the impact of it. कि जी अब तो मेरी दुनिया बदल गई है, अब मुझे करना पड़ेगा. तो then you took actions and then you become what you become. You were being this kind of a person. So you are a person who is hungry for knowledge or who values knowledge. That's the kind of person that you are, right?
Yes.
And standing there, you said that I will do Coursera के ऊपर हजारों लाखों programs हैं. But you chose those programs which are being delivered by Nobel laureates or people who published books, and you already have the hard copy of their books. This is what you said yesterday, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Correct. So this is the kind of person that you are. And when you were being driven by the kind of person that you are, the actions you took were, there were thousands of programs. Out of those, you selected those programs which have a longer value for you or larger value for you. Now, since everybody has not gone out of their comfort zone, right? So they will not get those kind of results what you will have, right? Now you know what is blockchain. You've done so many other programs, design and everything you've been doing, and you also revised some of the programs which you've done earlier.
Yes.
So the kind of results that you will have will be given by or are given by the person that you are.
No, actually, Atul ji, my thinking is different. My actions were actually devoted to what I want to become, actually.
So
Mainly.
want to become, right? Where is that? Where is that coming from? You will never become something. You are already that. You are. So एक बार ना माइकल, आपको पता है डेविड की एक मूर्ति है इसमें, इटालियन मार्बल की मूर्ति है जिसका नाम, जिस कैरेक्टर का नाम डेविड है, मालूम है?
डेविड एंड गोलियत.
यस. सो डेविड जो है वो किसने बनाई है वो? Who's the creator of David? Michelangelo. Okay. Yes. So once Michelangelo was asked कि ये डेविड तुमने कैसे बनाया, तो he gave a very very interesting answer. He said, डेविड तो इसी पत्थर में पड़ा था. मैंने केवल I just removed the unnecessary portion. I chipped off the unnecessary piece.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
So जो सत्य है वो ऑलरेडी सत्य में मौजूद है. सत्य या तो अपनी जो वो आरी है उसको धार लगा रहे हैं, या जो अनवांटेड, अगर धार भी लगा रहे हैं तो भी अनवांटेड को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, या जो जंग लग गया है उसे साफ कर रहे हैं. So there is nothing outside Satya which is available.
Okay, yeah, that is understandable. Basically, it is what I call sharpening the skills.
Absolutely right. So what will you sharpen, which is already there, right? You're not adding anything to it. You're removing something.
No, we in a sense, we are removing something or adding what I would like to call incremental. Some addition is also there, incremental. Yeah.
Fair enough. So that incremental addition is coming from the kind of person that you are. Make sense?
Yes, on top of that,
Yes.
that, correct.
Right. So Sheetal, you were saying something.
Atul, actually, what you are telling, that is absolutely a base that we can understand that what exactly we want to achieve and what our journey for that is. Now somebody, actually I joined late because my one call was going on. So somebody was sharing Ashwini Singla about the food, related to food. What we can say that they want to reutilize it, or they want to make in that form so they can
so that
make
it does not get wasted.
very good income.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't got wasted, but there are two type of food wasting. So how they can help that if somebody is eating that?
My suggestion is you have that conversation with him separately. That is not in line with the conversation that we're having right now. So we're talking about the collaborative mindset. All right.
Definitely.
Maybe after this conversation you could have it. All right. Singla ji, maybe you could share your number, and Sheetal, you could share your number, and you can talk one-to-one on it.
Okay.
All right.
Surely,
Yes.
that will be great. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Now let us come to our topic of the day. It's called collaboration. So collaboration is the action of working with someone to produce something. Anything else you would like to add to it, please? Hello?
Yeah. Add a word.
Yes.
Collaboration, may I speak?
Yeah, please, sir.
Add a word.
Collaboration is nothing but connecting missing links.
Okay. Fair enough. Yeah,
And collaboration basically, Atulji, it is basically to join together to co-create something.
Absolutely. So that is more or less in line with this action of working with someone to produce something.
Yes.
Yeah. Which should be useful to both. Means here the element has to come.
Okay.
Unless there is a element of beneficiary to both, this collaboration will not last. It is
agreed.
So add this one.
Human beings by nature do only those things where there is some kind of a benefit.
Yeah.
Even if we are angry, the benefit that I am getting is that I am proving my point.
Yeah.
Right? So otherwise I would not even get angry.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So let's move to the next one slide. So what do you get out of this? Just read these words and share. Let us have some remarks on this. And then I will share what I had in mind when I put these together.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Right. So if we go back, it says the action of working with somebody to produce something. So these could be different things, and this is not the complete thing. So it could be a referral, wherein I am passing on information to somebody so that he can buy or do whatsoever. It could be a joint venture. There's a joint venture between Maruti and Suzuki, between Tatas and Mercedes and the likes, right? Then there can be technology partners. There can be different kind of alliances. There can be international alliances. So we've got different blocks of countries which work together, right? Then we've got different kind of associations. And then at the simplest level, we also have a partnership between two people, right? So all these are words which can be interchangeably used with the word collaboration. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fantastic. All right.
Yes.
Now the point here is whenever I'm giving a referral or whenever so just put yourself in these positions and then answer what is this about? किसके बारे में है ये referral? या joint venture किसके लिए? Technology partner किसके लिए? If I am a Suzuki, तो technology partner किस लिए है?
One question, that experience tension, what does it mean? I am not able to, because tension is a negative word, whereas scarcity is not a negative word.
तो
Whereas tension,
आप already tension में आ गए हैं. I'll come to that. I'll come to that.
Please.
Right now we are talking about, in all these collaboration, what is this collaboration about?
Meeting two ends.
Absolutely.
Who are in need of fetching each other's need for the betterment of total society.
Absolutely.
See,
that is how it should.
When I collaborate with you, and if I can deliver some result which will ease the life of the community members, society members, people livelihood on the planet, probably that gives the natural ecosystem which is catered to by collaborating with you. Since you have something, I have something, but the two ends are not meeting, and that's why the society is not having ease of life.
Awesome. So I do 100% agree to what you are saying, Kulkarni ji. The only thing there, what I want to add is, this is not normally how collaboration works. Normally, whenever there is some kind of a collaborative engagement, it is about me. मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसमें से? While what you are talking, this is an abnormal kind of a collaboration. Very few people do that. Most of the people don't do that.
Ultimately, see, material, whatever, for me, what I may get some currency.
Absolutely.
I may get some
visibility.
Reason of being on the planet.
Absolutely.
I may get some luxury. I may get some fame, name, and all. But finally, by collaborating with some person, if the summation, it doesn't become a summation, it becomes a multiplication, and that multiplication eases many people's lives. It is more than what I get. There are many people what they get, and that kind of satisfaction also. My इंसान कोई भी जीवित व्यक्ति सुख के लिए काम करता है, और सुख सिर्फ पैसों में नहीं है, पैसों में भी है और पैसों के साथ सेटिस्फेक्शन में भी है. तो जो सेटिस्फेक्शन है वो ज्यादा मायने रखता है.
सो कुलकर्णी जी, आप इस प्रकार की विचारधारा रखते हैं, इसलिए आप वहां हैं जहां हैं. एक एवरेज इंसान ऐसी विचारधारा नहीं रखता. एंड जो आप कह रहे हैं उस पर भी मैं आता हूं, थोड़े समय में आता हूं. राइट? ओके. I'll just come to that. Now, the normal mindset is, जब मैं किसी के साथ कोई joint venture करता हूं, I am looking at what is in it for me. अगर सुजुकी ने मारुति के साथ किया, तो सुजुकी wanted to make additional money, wanted to enter into a new market and all that. Isn't it?
Yeah, true.
So it was about Suzuki. Next characteristic is, it is attachment. तो अगर हम देखें, पहले मारुति सुजुकी का, जब तक मारुति का पलड़ा भारी था, तब तक लोगो जो था मारुति का होता था.
हाँ जी.
जिस दिन सुजुकी का पलड़ा भारी हुआ, सबसे पहला काम उन्होंने क्या किया? They replaced the Maruti logo with the Suzuki logo.
Yeah.
That is the level of attachment you have with the engagement.
Yeah.
What is the outcome? Outcome is that there is scarcity in the world. That is the paradigm on which it is working. और मिश्रा जी आप कह रहे थे
Scarcity of what? Scarcity of what?
इन जनरल रिसोर्सेज, ठीक है ना?
Rather collaboration creates the resources and removes the scarcity.
That is exactly how it should happen. In the next screen we will be talking about it. Okay.
Okay.
अभी so मिश्रा जी टेंशन किस बात की है? टेंशन इस बात की है कि कहीं मेरे पार्टनर को मुझसे ज्यादा ना मिल जाए, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो मुझे चीट कर रहा हो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे कम मिल रहा है. तो आई एम कंसिस्टेंटली लुकिंग ऑन whether I am getting my right share or not. You get what I'm saying?
Can we get a better word? Can we get a better
Yes,
word?
we can
What?
definitely look for a better word. Okay.
Do you mean, Mr. Puri, that collaboration gives birth to jealousy?
Yes, to some extent it does. अगर वो नहीं होता तो Hero Honda, the relationship was ongoing for I think 3 decades. Why on earth did Honda have to come as Honda in India?
See, again, it is a question. I will just go into history as you have quoted for the example.
Yeah, please.
This particular Honda came with kinetic also.
Absolutely.
And one fine morning, our entrepreneur kicked that Honda out. And it was only kinetic.
Right.
And they had very bad experience of collaboration.
Right.
Despite of that, they again took a risk with Munjals.
Right.
They had very good time with Munjals.
Right.
But again, same Firodia and Munjal probability exists that they decided to go on their own as if they understood that now they know everything in that.
Awesome. So this is what I mean by tension. We may use some other word, but there is some kind of a tension, right?
Actually, people don't know what they don't know.
Absolutely.
And they feel they know everything.
Absolutely.
That is the problem.
Right.
And another is, as far as this example is concerned, Honda could judge a motorcycle market is sinking in India and scooter market is cropping up again. Earlier in Chetak and Priya time, it was a scooter era.
Right.
Later, during TVS, Suzuki, and Yamaha and Kawasaki, that brought 100cc revolution, throwing SD, Sawa, Rajdoot, and Bullet away. And again, Honda had a bad experience with Hero. Then Hero Puch became a Splendor. And the moment Hero Puch understood that I can become a Splendor, they decided to become Splendor on their own. So Honda decided this is a sinking market because everybody is fingering this market. Let us again see the future market, which is in scooter market. Actually, those days scooter was a ladies vehicle. Now it is no more a ladies vehicle. This market trend, Honda could judge better, and probability exists that the tension was due to misunderstanding of market.
Right. Fair enough. So, we have we've spoken about some scenarios where collaboration happened and tension also existed. Right. Dr. Kumar, you had raised your hand. You want to share something?
Basically, we have, as we see our slide,
yeah.
the normal mindset. Basically, you have to understand, human being is a social animal.
Okay.
He cannot be alone. He may say, I am earning, I am for my livelihood, I am earning for my family, all that. But without the collaboration of anybody else, either the family or friends or whatever it is, they cannot survive and they cannot become success. So he's a social animal. By birth itself, he's a social animal.
Yeah, so that is a motherhood statement.
Yeah.
But in reality, the moment we achieve something, we start looking at going to the next level. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Anybody else?
I will add some different dimensions since the things are related to human psychology.
Hanji.
I tell this corporate world should understand Indian family system. Collaborations of life are existing in India since long, and they don't have that kind of understanding. So the collaborations with them are getting broken because of not understanding the personality with whom they have married. They are
right.
They are differently looking to. Corporate world is not emotionally attached with each other. The moment emotionality, attachment you are speaking about,
yeah,
that attachment grows,
yeah,
the collaborations last long. There are many examples like Gadge Patil in India.
Right.
Collaborations lasted long. And
yeah,
whereas we are speaking about Ford and Mahindra, Kinetic and Firodia and Honda, Munjal and Honda, there are breaking of experiences. So probability exists that the psychology, Indian psychology, need to be understood by the collaborators first.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Mr. Singla, you wanted to say something?
Yeah. See, according to me, the collaborative partners both should have something speciality. Then only it is a collaborative mind. If only one is specialist and other is not, why would they like to join collaboration? So collaborative can be only one is strong in technology and the other is strong in financials, or other is strong in marketing. So like that. Otherwise, there is no meaning of collaboration.
Right. Fair enough. So I think one thing which plays a very important role in any kind of collaboration is cultural fitment. All right. Now, even when we look at marriages,
yeah,
those marriages where cultural fitment does not happen, that is where the divorce happens.
Yeah, true.
All right. Now, even if your partner is poor, let us take the example of, say, Maruti and Suzuki. For a moment, let us consider that Maruti was poor. Suzuki globally is known as the best, known as a two-wheeler player.
Yeah.
India is the only place where they are a car maker.
Yeah.
And they happen to be the world's largest car maker.
Yeah.
They have not been able to replicate this success in any other geography.
True.
Right? So there is something that this poor fellow brings to the table.
Yeah, sure.
The kind of, even today, you look at all the JD, what are those surveys which they conduct. Maruti Suzuki is number 1 globally in customer satisfaction surveys. And that is something which comes naturally to Maruti. That did not come from the Suzuki side. Okay, so like Singlaji was saying that you need to, one of you was saying that we need to know the Indian, the culture.
Yes.
Maruti has actually gone into a loving relationship with everybody. So there was a Jat in Gurgaon with whom Maruti started working. India never had those large trucks to ferry the cars. So there's a company called Om Logistics.
Yeah.
It did not exist.
Yeah.
Maruti spent time with this gentleman, told him, taught him what to do. And today they would be $1 million company.
Yeah.
And Now, when Hyundai comes to India, they already have a ready-made player.
Yeah.
When Bajaj starts growing with a Pulsar, they already have a player, right?
Yeah.
Now this is what happens. Now, can we put any price to this? We
Yeah.
cannot. That happens only
This,
with collaboration, right?
yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, let us look at another aspect, which I call as the collaborative mindset. Okay, so see the differences. Okay, we are talking about the same perspectives about so I'm sorry I put this as him, it could be her also.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
I'm getting into a collaboration, it is not about me anymore, it is about you.
Yeah.
This is the first thing I need to understand. Instead of attachment, we are talking about detached. So I've been reading this book called The Change Makers.
Yeah.
One of the authors is Ramcharan, and this is a book about P&G, Procter and Gamble. Okay, wherein they're talking about the culture of innovation. So one sentence I was reading, I think yesterday or day before, wherein one of the managers, he was working on a project and the project bombed. Now he felt so guilty that it has not seen the light of the day and everything. He went to his boss and he gave a letter of resignation. Sir, I want to leave because I have not been able to rise up to the expectations of the company. What do you think his boss would have answered?
Should have given him a promotion.
Okay, why so?
Let's achieve it together.
Okay.
What are the deficiencies? What we should do?
Awesome.
Rather study more instead of losing that person, because nobody other than him tried to do so.
Fantastic. Anybody else would like to add to this?
Yeah, Atulji, here the boss will always say that this is not your fault. If you have not succeeded, it is a collective failure, and let us correct it together.
Awesome. What else?
Here, boss will definitely put forward a paper and let us analyze the question you are facing by asking why to your action.
Okay.
The moment we both arrive to a conclusion, dissatisfaction reason is unknown to us. Let us work on dissatisfaction reason.
Fantastic.
And probably you will get satisfaction, and only satisfied person can prosper.
Awesome.
Your prosperity is dependent on psychological satisfaction you must get. And the reason, whichever is external reason, which is not giving you the result you expect, will be immediately operated, maybe cultivated, maybe supported. Rather than getting post-mortem, let us operate the patient and make it healthy.
Awesome.
That should be the approach, and that will be the approach.
Awesome. So that boss, he said, I just paid a lot of money for your education, so I cannot let you go. So did you get what he said? He said that there is a lot of education that has gone in losing this project. And in that process, you have learned a lot. That learning is invaluable. Okay.
Yeah,
and most of us, we are operating in small businesses.
yeah.
अपने
We
दिल
lose our trained
अपने
people.
दिल पे हाथ रख के कहो कि जी आपका एक बंदा जो है वो गाड़ी ठोक कर आता है, आपका ड्राइवर, तो आप क्या करोगे उसके साथ?
I don't know. क्या करेंगे? मेरे ड्राइवर ने
Let's
एक बार
find
मेरी
out what
गाड़ी,
are the reasons.
मेरे ड्राइवर ने एक
Reasons.
बार मेरी गाड़ी ठोकी थी,
हाँ,
तो मैंने बताया भाई अम, आपको कुछ लगा नहीं, ये पहली बात है, वो अच्छा है, अपनी गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस है, जो 2 रुपया खर्चा होगा होने दो। मैं होता तो मेरा साइकोलॉजिकल सिचुएशन भी खराब होता। एटलीस्ट मैं नहीं हूँ, तो इट इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज।
awesome.
तो डोंट बी पैनिक। होते रहता है, एक्सीडेंट्स डू हैपन। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वाज
अगर
योर
मेरे से गाड़ी
मिस्टेक
ठुक
एंड
जाती ड्राइवर
डोंट
की
रिपीट।
जगह पे, फिर you have to
तो
think
क्या
that way also.
Absolutely.
या
So
Yeah.
अगर
this,
मैं चला रहा होता,
मेरा
गाड़ी
इसमें
ठुक जाती, the
मैं भी,
situation would have
मेरा भी
been.
सबमिशन है कुछ।
हाँ जी बताइए।
मेरा सबमिशन है कि जब भी कोई कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, जैसे ड्राइवर के साथ हमने कोलैबोरेट किया, तो केवल एक ही एट्रीब्यूट हम नहीं देखते कि उसका टेक्निकल स्किल सेट, उसका स्किल सेट था इसलिए उसको ड्राइवर का जॉब दे दिया, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ ट्रस्ट, उसके साथ साथ उसकी डिसिप्लिन, उसके साथ साथ उसके मतलब बाकी चीजें, हमारे साथ फैमिलियरिटी, उसके साथ में जो कंफर्ट देता था वो। तो एक एक्सीडेंट कोई करता नहीं है, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, और कोई भी काम लेके चले आप, तो उसका सक्सेस का 100% कभी भी गारंटी नहीं होता है। तो जैसे कि वो बहुत कुछ सीख लिया मेरे बारे में, अब वो चला जाएगा तो फिर नए बंदे को फिर से हमें सब कुछ सिखाना पड़ेगा, तो थोड़ा कंप्रोमाइज इस स्टेज पे करना पड़ता है। तो ये हमारा
अमेजिंग। सो इसमें भी देयर इज नथिंग
rather
कॉल्ड
rather
कॉम्प्रोमाइज हियर।
we lose our investment by getting annoyed with the situation. So
राइट
let us not invest in some new person, rather than अभी थोड़ा और इन्वेस्ट करे, पेशेंस इन्वेस्ट करे, उसके साथ सुलूक करे, और उसको बताए कि ये रिपीट ना हो। बस।
exactly that is the strength, because nobody has succeeded in 100% collaboration. Of course this accident was life and death kind of thing, so in इसमें precaution ज्यादा लेना है
So
बस।
this characteristic is called being detached,
yes
right? वो गीता में कहा गया है कर्मण्यवाद, क्या था, कर्म कर फल की इच्छा मत कर, राइट?
हाँ, फल नहीं, वो कर्मण्यवाधिकार से माँ फलेषु कदाचन।
वो मैंने रोक दिया वहीं पे, बट वो ये है कर्म कर फल की इच्छा मत कर।
हाँ, तो वो जो है ना, कर्म कर फल की इच्छा मत कर, ऐसा नहीं है। एक्चुअली इट इज रॉन्गली अंडरस्टूड बाय पीपल। फल की इच्छा मत कर ऐसा नहीं, फल पर निर्भर मत रहे। फल तो आएगा, लेकिन फल की इच्छा मतलब ग्रीड मत कर कि ये किया तो ये होना ही चाहिए।
See again it comes to, it is even more what I'm saying, ठीक है ना जी, कि जी don't get attached to the results, being detached.
Perfect,
right? Perfect na? Now next let us look at what is the outcome when you are having a collaborative mindset for the other person and you are detached from the outcome. So you are detached from what is happening. What is the outcome? The outcome is going to be abundance.
Yeah, true.
Amazing hai na?
Yes.
And when there is abundance, you are detached and it is about him. What is your experience?
Freedom of thought.
Awesome hai na? Now this is collaborative mindset.
Yeah.
See the difference between normal. So Mishra ji, ये टेंशन से फ्रीडम की जर्नी कैसी रही? हेलो,
टोटल फ्रीडम तो नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ दोनों के बीच का एक निकालिए।
सर वो अंग्रेजी में अंग्रेजी का एक शब्द है तथास्तु।
नहीं, लॉक नहीं कर सकते फ्रीडम पे। टोटल फ्रीडम कोलैबोरेशन के बाद में, देन अगर कल, आज तो नहीं, बट कल मैं एक वर्ड के ऊपर में कल मैं ड्वेल करूंगा कि उसको किस तरीके से एनालाइज किया जाए, आज नहीं। आज मैं केवल
see, that is absolutely fine. All what I'm saying is, let us operate from a collaborative.
Collaboration will not bring tension. Collaboration will ease many of our things, as well as it will not make me totally free mentally.
तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं।
हाँ,
Ease, experience of ease and grace. How does that sound?
yes, it will bring a lot of ease of mind.
ठीक है ना जी? So ये
It will
लीजिए,
bring ease of mind.
अमेजिंग है ना? ये लीजिए, ये बदल दिया हमने। So
yeah. Grace word is very good, because the grace is only we look into. And so even if we don't win every time, we are comfortable.
absolutely.
If there is a grace, then every time we are comfortable, even though there is a loss.
Awesome. Right? So this is what I wanted to share and what I wanted to leave you with about the collaborative mindset. Okay? This is something which is applicable to all areas of life and is definitely applicable to our business. And especially in today's times, when we are hard pressed against the wall, this kind of a mindset will set us free, will allow us to achieve much more than what we can even think of. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome, Annaji.
Thank you. Nice word also has come. धन्यवाद.
Yeah.
आज के लिए ये पूरा टोटलिटी में धन्यवाद है या
टोटलिटी में है जी, समय हो गया है।
टोटलिटी में धन्यवाद है।
तो
So
ऐसा
thank
था,
you everybody.
तो ऐसा था एक बार ना, गुरु नानक जी को किसी ने पता नहीं पनिशमेंट दी, क्या दिया कि जी आप चक्की पीसो।
हाँ
जी, तो उन्होंने शुरू की, पहला चक्कर लगाया, दूसरा लगाया, तीसरा लगाया, 10वां लगाया, 11वां लगाया, 12वां लगाया, और जब 13वें की कहानी आई ना तो उन्होंने कहा 13। तो 13 उनके दिमाग में हुआ कि जी 13 हुआ भगवान का, फोर्स का, राइट। और उसके बाद में चक्की अपनी आप चलनी शुरू हो गई और
ના વચ્ચे બોલવા લાગને
3 हो गए।
એ બોલે છે ને તારે એક જણે બંધ રાખવાનો।
Great.
That is collaborative
એવું ટીચર માં
mindset.
જાય
सब 13 है, whichever way it is. Awesome है ना?
हाँ, एकदम।
So this is what I would leave you with. सब 13 है और 13 में आप शामिल हैं।
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
good day. Good day, everybody.
Anybody else
Good
would
day.
like to share something, and then we can complete in 1 minute.
So it was really
Yeah.
good brainstorming as such.
हाँ जी।
It was a good brainstorming, and we should arrive to some solutions whenever we feel like brainstorming is essential. That's great.
Right.
Gurji,
Yeah, please.
for all these points, we all know about one story about a hare and tortoise story.
Yes.
Earlier, it was only one part.
Yeah.
Now, because of the forced environment or forced entrepreneurship or whatever it is, it has been emerged into 4 sections,
Right.
4 part.
Yeah.
How many of you know about all the 4 part? I do not know. But let me, because lack of time, let me tell only what is the moral behind the 4 part I want to share. First part was slow and steady.
Yeah.
You know, we have crossed about 3 industrial revolution. We are in the 4th revolution.
Yeah.
Now we cannot talk about the fossil fuels.
Yeah.
Right, like that. First part was slow and steady. Second part was fast and consistent. Third part was utilize your core competencies and know others' weakness. The fourth part is called win-win.
Right.
Now, Atulji added one more win. Win-win-win. WWW.
Yes.
I don't know what is the fifth part. I do not know. According to Atulji, we have to learn. But as developed in the Heron and Tortoise story, we have developed so much. These are the things are needed in our, which if you could able to develop, we all grow together.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So tomorrow instead, so thank you, Dr. Kumar. So
Atul.
tomorrow, instead of having a monologue, I want to have a panel discussion. So some 3-4 of you, we speak on a particular topic. So what would that topic be? I would like that to be for on entrepreneurship.
I would like to share on emotional intelligence for entrepreneurs.
Okay.
For about 20 minutes because it has got 5 points.
Fair enough. So,
yes.
Kulkarni ji, I would invite you to join in this conversation as a panelist.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll come.
Okay. And so my request to all of you is do invite at least 5 people more. Okay.
Okay.
So
sure,
that we
sure.
start building this community. All right. So right now, today we were, I think, 9 people. 9 people is great. But if we are able to contribute to 90, that is better.
Yeah.
Right?
We will.
Okay. And
Okay.
all of you are there already on the CEO WhatsApp group. You may please feel free to invite as many people as you want. Once this will still add other groups as well. Right?
Okay.
And we also have a Facebook group. I've already shared that with you on the message.
Yeah,
on
we
the
are
chat.
joined.
Okay, done. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Night.
Thank you. Bye.